Welcome to TMS Web, the browser-based Mint portal. We designed this web application as a replacement for the web portal to bring our users a more streamlined and user-friendly experience. To begin our walkthrough of TMS Web, let's start with navigation and the top menu. The left-hand menu can be collapsed or expanded to see the name or icon of portal pages like Forms, Schedule, and more. Next up, we have the global search, which can search through most entities in TMS Web. For example, resources, projects, forms, and more. The profile drop-down menu gives you access to settings, the online help, the desktop app, and more. From the top bar, you can also access your notifications. From the drop-down, you can filter out red notifications and see the message preview. Click the notification card to navigate to the notifications page and read the full notification. From the dashboards page, you can create a personalized landing page with text, embedded script, and report widgets. Next, let's look at our events from the schedule page. From the top of the page, you can change your time zone, switch between month, week, and day view, navigate through the calendar, and filter out different schedule layers like canceled events and work patterns. Additionally, you can create events using the button on the right. Besides looking at your own events, you can compare the schedules of resources side by side. From the schedule page, you can also view scheduled projects. By clicking on Project Overview, you can manage booking for that project and assign resources to open slot groups. From the Forms page, you can select your form and then search through and select the resources to grade. For offline grading on the go, click Download to save the form data on your device. Once you open the form, you can choose two different viewing options, full screen and minimized. The minimized view allows you to grade without leaving the main Forms page, increasing the speed and ease of completing multiple forms back to back. The form toolbar also gives you options to reset or close the form and save your progress. After submitting, you'll see a report of all your completed forms. From this window, you can download a PDF of the form right from TMS Web. The report page has search and filter options, just like Forms. Additionally, you can add and remove properties shown in the report card to only show the important data you need at a glance. Once you fill in the needed parameters and execute the report, you can change the view or download the report to send to interested parties in almost any format. Like reports, you can filter products and define which properties are visible on the card. On the right-hand side of the product page, you can see a table with scheduled projects associated with the selected product. The information in this table is also configurable. Below the project table, you can view associated product links and reports to give your users all the information they need with a single click. To view the project events, click the project and you'll be sent back to the schedule. From the automation page, you can create and modify automation like read and sign workflows. With TMS Web, configuring an automation is as easy as dragging and dropping a few statuses and filling out the needed fields to define who should be assigned to each step and more. The workflows you create in automations can be completed from the Workflows page. You can filter workflows, view forms and attachments, and show history before transitioning the workflow. Lastly, let's visit the Settings section. From this section, you can configure scheduled event hints, email engine settings, authentication, and more.